What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I am so excited about this video. Today is Wednesday, and Wednesday is my favorite training block day. As you saw in the title, we're going to talk about later how I maintain muscle mass while being an ultra athlete. It's a fun conversation. Now, why is today my favorite training day? Saturdays are my long run days, and I do enjoy my long runs. Don't get me wrong. I enjoy the pain, the beauty of it, the time I get away and just get into my own mind. I can actually get creative and divulge thoughts and all that amazing stuff. But when it comes to my training, Wednesdays are my favorite because it's a 10-miler, which isn't necessarily a short run. And I get to do heavy squats. Today's my strength building day. I have one of those a week. The other 2 days that I train are HIIT based. I love Wednesdays. So to start off the day, it's 5:40, 5:50 right now. We're going to do a scoop of Formulation X, and then we're going to crank out the other YouTube video that's coming out today about a day in the life of an entrepreneur. I'm excited about that one. I'll show how busy my day is throughout the day. So yeah, I'm super excited about today. Let's get started. All right, so we have our YouTube video uploaded, edited, ready to go and launch at 12 today. Super excited about that. So we have devotion. We do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on At the Keto Road at 7 a.m. I just wanted to do a quick, just in case you were interested, I just want to let y'all know. So we're about to hop on the devotion, knock that out, and then we're going to go get this 10-mile run in, baby. What's going on, guys? All right, there's the time and the heart rate. Overall, good run, easy paced run. I wasn't too worried about the time. I do try to keep it sub 10 now just because the pace that I can go at the heart rate lets me know how well I'm recovering, things like that. But overall, happy with the run. About to go eat some Keto Brick. If you don't know what Keto Brick is, let me show you. So this beautiful thing is a Keto Brick, guys. I love these things. They're super high fat. All their ingredients are premium quality. I love what all the ingredients do inside of our bodies. Cacao butter, cacao nibs, MCT powder, good grass-fed whey protein. I mean, you cannot beat these things. All right, guys, we're here at Harvest Market. We got cameras going everywhere right now. But I wanted to show you, this is Keto Huevos Rancheros. It has a crispy shell. It's so good. Also, check this out. Hey Haley, are you enjoying yourself? Is it yummy? Is it everything you want in life? All right, guys, so we're in the kitchen. We're meal prepping for Ashley. She's out shopping. And real quick, I want to show you how to properly spatchcock a chicken. There's not many things that I'm really cocky about culinary-wise, but I have perfected how to cook the perfect chicken. All right, so this is the back side of the chicken, right? So the breast is down here. I flipped it on its back, and you just take a knife, and you're gonna cut on both sides of the rib cage. You take this out, boom, and then you're gonna flip this over, just like that, and you're gonna flatten it down. Bam, spatchcocked. You're then gonna take 2 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna split it in half, so basically half a tablespoon per square, and then you're gonna put them right under the skin, just like that, over the breast. The dark meat really doesn't need it. All right, then you're gonna get this seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and then half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You're going to generously sprinkle it over the bottom side of the chicken. All right, just like that. Good, we're gonna rub it in, just like that. Okay, make sure you get the white. Don't worry about sanitation here because chicken meat is honestly everywhere. So you're gonna have to clean all of this really well anyways. And then you're gonna flip them back over and you're gonna generously coat everything on the top. The baking powder, the reason we do that is because it helps make the skin crispy without any oil or application of air fryer. So we're just generally, be really generous with this stuff. Just gonna rub it in just like that. When you go to put it on the pan, just shake the excess off. All right, guys, oven is at 375. We're gonna put this in until it hits an internal temp of 165 exactly. Say it with me, 165. Do not let the chicken dry out, people. Be smart, delicious. It's gonna be okay. 165. Bounce, wow. Oh yeah. Yo guys, all right, another scoop of Formulation X. We've got the gym. Boom, boom. Put it in, shake it up. Let's swig. Let's get it.
some, you lose some. Just gotta keep fighting.
All right, guys, finished for the night with some Greek yogurt and blueberries. But I want to talk about the workout. So talking about the strength training, how I maintain muscle mass as an endurance athlete. So as you saw with the back squat set, I called that a progressive overload till failure. I go until failure. Sometimes it's 315. Sometimes I went a little ego here and I went for a 345. I didn't make it. That's fine. So the trick to maintaining muscle as an endurance athlete is to lift heavy at least once a week. Now, my other workouts, I try to imitate my runs. So I do a lot of HIIT-based workouts. I still lift weights, a lot of strength resistance, but I do kind of HIIT, right? 45 seconds on for the workout, 15 seconds off, and then I go back and forth for about 30 minutes. It's very intense, but at least once a week. I target isolated muscle groups. I focus on blood flow, hypertrophy, and then on my legs specifically, I induce them in a very heavy set of back squats, and I will do a very heavy set of bench press at least once a week. And that's how I maintain my muscle mass. I think also nutrition too. Again, when it comes to running, you need to eat to perform. I keep my protein high. I keep my fats high. I keep my carbs low. I make sure the carbs I'm eating are conducive to my cortisol and hormone balance. And then I move on with my life. I don't try to eat to lose weight. I do lean out as I get closer to races. And as we get closer to my next 50 miler, I will go more into detail on that. But I eat to perform. You need to too. So lift heavy, eat to perform, and get after it. Be relentless. See you in the next one.